Hello dear audience, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am Pramod once again with another new video, and in this video I will teach you how to change a simple sentence into a complex and compound form. But here I would like to mention that I have already uploaded some videos regarding these things. So if you are new to my channel, so please go through the videos. There you will get different rules regarding changing from simple to complex and compound. In this video I will discuss about how we can change an infinitive into a complex sentence and also into a compound sentence. So as you can see on the board that it's written transformation of sentence infinitive. And what is the pattern of infinitive? Very simple, to plus verb. Here the verb will be always in its base form. So you cannot add ses, or you cannot add ing, or you cannot make it past or past participle form after the preposition to, and this thing is known as infinitive. It's a non-finite verb. Well, what is the use of the infinitive? We use infinitive for many reasons, but the most common reason of using an infinitive can be to indicate any purpose or reason of doing something. As you can see the example here, he went to the market to buy a dress. He went to the market to buy a dress. Here, the first part I have written it in the second bracket. He is the subject, went, this is the finite verb. To the market is the place where he went, and to buy a dress, you can see that why he actually went to the market. This part is telling me the answer of this thing, to buy a dress. Alright, so now we can easily understand that infinitive is showing a reason or purpose of the action why he went to the market. Now we will turn it into a complex sentence. Well, we all know that complex sentence has two clauses, principal clause and subordinate clause. So if we go through the sentence, he went to the market, this sentence is making a complete sense. This part can make a full sense or complete sense, and that is the reason this part will become my principal clause. So I will write it, he went to the market. So he is the subject, went is the finite verb, so it's a principal clause. Now I need a subordinating clause, and to make a to write the subordinate clause and to join the subordinate clause with the main clause, I also need a clause marker. Here you need to keep in your mind that if you are dealing with infinitive, you will use so that together as your clause marker. So I will write so that, and after the so that, the sentence pattern will take like this, or it will be like this: subject plus can or could plus V1 plus object. So here we need modal auxiliary verb can or could. It will depend on your tense. If my main verb of the simple sentence belongs to present tense, I will apply can. If my main verb belongs to past tense, I will write could. So here my main verb is went and it's past. So I will write could as my modal auxiliary verb. And also what will be the subject? Well, who is actually went to the market? He. So the same person will be the subject of the subordinate clause, and that is the reason I will write he and my verb will be could. So he is the subject and could, it is the half part of your finite verb, and here after the preposition to, we got the verb by, and this by or this verb will come here after the could. Now it became could by, and this is the complete finite verb of my subordinating clause, and the object is a dress. He went to the market so that he could buy a dress. He went to the market so that he could buy a dress. Well, now I will make it a compound sentence. We all know that there will be two principal clauses joined by coordinating conjunction. So here, as the complex sentence, the first part is by principal clause for both complex and compound. That's why this is my one principal clause. But the problem is, when infinitive tells us about a purpose or reason, it actually shows the desire of doing something. For example, this person went to the market. And why he went to the market? To buy a dress, or so that he could buy a dress? So it is indicating that this person wanted to buy a dress. This person had a desire to buy a dress. So when we will make a compound sentence with this pattern of infinitive, we will write this thing that the subject wants or wanted to do something. We need to write this thing, and here it's quite different than the other type of compound sentence. We'll start like this: he wanted to buy a dress. Actually, he wanted to buy a dress because why did he go to the shopping mall or market? Basically, he want to buy a dress. Or if you, in your life, it happens that whenever you want to buy something, you just go to the shopping mall or market or wherever you can get it. Similarly, this you need to understand this idea. Alright, so that is the reason why when we are writing the compound sentence, we started wanted to buy a dress, and from where he would buy this dress? Obviously from the market, and he went there. And I will write the next principal clause: and went to the market. Here in the first principal clause, subject is he, wanted is the finite verb. In the second principal clause, there is no subject because the same person is doing both the actions, and that is the thing when we are adding with subordinating conjunction. When we are adding something with coordinating conjunction, we do not repeat the similar subject, and that's why we eliminate it or leave it and just start from the verb portion: went to the market. So the sentence sounds like this: he wanted to buy a dress and went to the market. He wanted to buy a dress and went to the market. So in this way, you can convert any simple sentence that has a infinitive that is showing the reason or purpose or any wish or desire. By applying the so that method, you can turn it into complex sentence, and by using the wanted form, and as you have already noticed that we again repeated the infinitive form when my verb is wanted. So the infinitive of the simple sentence will come back or will return to my compound sentence. So keep practicing such type of sentences at home, and gradually you will understand these things very easily. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.